everyone, I'm Kanika Rawat from sportscholar.edu. Today's video is on expected question and answers from Unit 1. This is part 2 of the video series. Part 1 I have already posted and the link has been pasted in the description box. If you want to visit my theory lecture, for that also the link has been posted below. Now before we begin, in the previous part 1, I had asked you 2 questions and I will be answering them in this section. I'm really happy that few of you could answer it. The answer to them, the question and answers are: who is the father of all sport? Athletics. Mother of all sport? Gymnastics. So you should remember this. This is just a GK. Then Shivanti Gold Cup is related to which sport? It is related to volleyball. Now this video is specifically made on 3 markers and 5 markers questions, which are based on the following subtopics which you can see on the screen. Just go ahead and review these topics before we start with the question and answer round. So let's begin with the 3 marker questions. Now they are total of 10 questions which are there, comprises 30 marks out of 70. The word limit here is 80 to 100 words. Now I'll give you first example wherein the word limit may not mean, but you will have to give examples to that question. Now the question goes, write the objectives of physical education given by Leslie. Now when we talk about this author, she has given a few objectives like the other 3 authors which are there in your book. Yes, the answer to this is organic aspects of development, neuromuscular aspect of development, emotional aspects of development, social aspects of development, and intellectual aspects of development. Now, whenever this kind of a question is asked where there is no elaboration given, I'm sure your teacher must have elaborated this to you. So, give the examples and your understanding. You can go back to my theory lecture, listen the elaboration of these objectives, and then you can relate it with the live examples. Second question, enumerate the objectives of physical education in brief. Now in brief means in very short, that is the minimum 80 words limit. So again, there are 6 objectives being given in your book. Now here you will not be giving the objectives which are given by the other 4 authors. You will be giving the meta-analysis of the objective which has been given in your book. So there are these 6 objectives which are there. You have to elaborate them and give the objectives of physical education. So there is one more thing important in this, that whenever there is asked in a 3 marker question, then you will be stating the heading of any 4 objectives and elaborating any 3. When it is a 5 marker, you will be going for 6 heading being stated and elaboration of any 5. So that is what the CBSE pattern is. So headings are very important for you to memorize. Then comes rest few 3 markers which are there. There are 3 markers like they can ask you discuss any 3 badminton competitions in brief, write down any 3 components of Khelo India program in brief. They can ask you various competitions held at international level, national level. I will be giving you an example for international level as well. Now one more thing which is important is the time limit when you are answering the question. So the minimum time limit should be 6 minutes, whereas the maximum time limit should be 8 minutes for a 3 marker question. For a 1 marker, minimum 1, maximum 2. Okay, so I'll give you an example that how you will start discussing the 3 marker question or writing the 3 marker question. Now let's discuss the last question. What are the various competitions that are held at international level? Now herein I have given 3 competitions and elaborated them a bit. First is the ICC World Cup, second is the Champions Trophy, and third is the FIFA Cup. Now make a correction in your book. When we are talking about ICC World Cup, its name has changed to the, earlier it was called Prudential World Cup, now it is called as ICC World Cup. The second change you need to make in your book is the Champions Trophy. Earlier till the 2018 edition, it was called as the Champions Trophy, whereas in the 2019 edition, the name was replaced and was called as Men's FIH Pro League and Women's FIH Pro League. Then there is FIFA Cup. As you see, I told you that you need to write 4 headings and elaborate any 3. I have given you the options of rest heading as well. If you can see any one to be stated here. Now, similarly, there can be national competitions being asked. This can also be asked in a 5 marker. Now, in 5 marker, you will have to elaborate any 5 and then you will have to state any one more competition which is there. After this, let's see the 5 marker questions. Now, here the word limit changes. There it was 80 to 150. Here it is 150 to 200, wherein the CBSE boards give you only 4 questions. They comprise of 20 marks out of the 70. And here are few questions for you to practice. I can discuss each one of this, but it's always good when you practice yourself these questions, and these are most frequently asked questions by the teachers. So define physical education and explain its aims and objective in detail. What are the career options in physical education? Discuss teaching career in detail. Now, whenever you have these kind of question where there are 2 questions asked, so in the first question, you will write as the marks weightage says. Sometimes it is 2.5, 2.5. So you have to write equal points in both. Sometimes it is 1 and 3. So you only need to state in the first and elaborate the next question. So here it is saying what are the career options in physical education. So you will state all the options which are there and then elaborate the teaching career in detail. So in detail means all the subparts written briefly. Not that you just go and write elementary school or a middle school. Write all parts but in brief. So in career option, you will be given 1 marks as a whole for that and 4 marks for the teaching career in detail. Then comes the discuss the health related and administrative related careers. Now this can be a 2.5 division, a 5 marker question, wherein 2.5 will be given to you as a health related question and 2.5 for administrative related. They can be that your teacher gives you the above one as a 2 marker question and the administrative related career as 3 markers. So there you will have to give 3 headings and elaborate about them. Similarly, question number 4, explain in detail the sports media related career in the field of physical education. Now all 5 you will be writing here and elaborating them a bit so that you can meet the word limit which is there. Now here, as you can see, I have given you a question here. This is very frequently asked in boards. They give you questions like these wherein they give you 3 headings like career in book writing, career in sports photography, career in sports industry, and then they will ask you to explain any 2. So you need to write it according to a 2.5 marks weightage for each. So there are similarly like in 3 marker, 1 marker, the choice questions are given. So here also in 5 marker, they will be giving you a few choice questions as well. But the choice doesn't mean that you leave 4 questions which are there in 5 marker. But like suppose the question number 30 or 31 is a 5 marker question. They will be giving you 2 options of that questions. Last question, which is again frequently asked, is to elaborate the Khelo India program in detail. Now few questions are which will be asked for sure. So you just need to go ahead, read it. Here Khelo India program, when was it launched? 2017-18 by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, and the 12 components we read in the theory lecture. So you need to elaborate them. You need to understand the 5 marker. For 1 marker, the time limit was what? Yes, it was 1 minute minimum, 2 minutes maximum. Whereas for a 3 marker, it is just double. You will always do just double, 6 minimum and maximum 8 minutes. For a 10 marker, 10 minimum, 12 will be maximum. That's a typing error. It's 12 maximum. Then according to the time management, if I see the total time limit which is there, then if you go for the minimum target, that is 2 minutes, 6 minutes and 10 minutes, then it will be 140 minutes, 2 hours, 20 minutes. So you can imagine the amount of time saved for your revisions, and if you left anything, you can go back and re-attempt it. If you go with the maximum time limit, which goes like 2 minutes, 8 minutes, and here in a 5 marker, it goes for a maximum of 12 minutes. So then it will be 2 hours, 48 minutes. So I'm sure you must have understood how the 1 markers come, how the 3 markers come, how are the 5 markers framed, and you must be cleared with the word limits, the time limits which the teacher is expecting out of you. All the best for your grade 11. Keep practicing questions. The work ethics you will develop in grade 11 will finally pay you off when you are there in your grade 12. Do subscribe, like and share. It will keep me motivated. My next video which I'll be uploading will be on Unit 2, Olympic Value Education. Hoping to see you soon in the next video. Stay fit, stay blessed.